All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're looking at how you can build an absolutely unstoppable career as a modern virtual assistant. Whether you're aiming to work from home for the very first time or you're an established VA ready to scale up your income, we're going to show you exactly how to level up your foundational skills, build efficient systems, and master cutting-edge AI. We're tackling this explainer like a video game progression. We'll start with core virtual assistant skills, move to essential spreadsheet mastery, unlock profiting from digital products, navigate learning portals, and finally hit the boss level, the ultimate AI toolkit.
So, do you think you need some fancy specialized degree to work from home? No way. You might be surprised, but most successful VAs start with zero specialized experience. Take a woman named Lisa, for example. She just needed to earn income from home while homeschooling her daughter. She started with basic customer service emails, a little social media scheduling, and boom! Within a few months, she had 3 solid clients. It's all about leveraging the everyday skills you already possess.
Okay, level 1, core virtual assistant skills. Let's see how your everyday tasks instantly translate into billable client services. Look at this list. You probably do half of this in your daily life anyway, right? Ever booked a complicated family vacation? That's travel research. Have you ever organized a messy hard drive? That's file management. CEOs are literally desperate for people to bring calm to their chaos. So you're already equipped to take these massive burdens off a business owner's plate from day one.
Now, if you lean more toward the creative side, there is huge demand there too. Clients constantly need help writing blogs, whipping up quick graphics in Canva, or getting their weekly newsletters formatted. It just proves that your creative hobbies, like tinkering with video edits or proofreading documents, have real, tangible market value that clients will happily pay for.
Moving right along to level 2, essential spreadsheet mastery. As you get more clients, you're going to have to handle data. And the secret to taming that data is knowing the difference between sorting and filtering. Sorting is just organizing your list, like ranking insurance quotes from the lowest price to the highest. But filtering, that's the real magic. It lets you extract specific data points. If you have a massive list of job candidates, filtering hides everyone except those with, say, a bachelor's degree. It gives your client exactly what they want to see at that exact moment. And here's a massive lifesaver. There is nothing worse than scrolling down 100 rows of data and completely losing track of what column you're looking at, right? The fix is a simple 3-step trick. Freeze your top panes. Just highlight the row, go to the view menu, and hit freeze. Those headers are now locked in place no matter how far down you scroll, saving you from a massive headache. All right, level 3, profiting from digital products. This is where we talk about multiplying your income outside of hourly client work. You build a template or a guide once and sell it endlessly. But listen, the biggest mistake beginners make is building a product before knowing if anyone actually wants it. You've got to validate your idea first. Check Etsy for highly reviewed items to prove demand. Use the free Everbee extension to estimate their actual revenue. And finally, run it through Google Trends to make sure people are consistently searching for it. Don't waste time building something nobody wants. Once you've validated the idea, whip it up in a free tool like Canva and save it professionally to Google Drive. The trick here is to just pick one single platform to start. Sell locally on Reckitt PH or TikTok Shop, or go international with Etsy or Gumroad. Treat it like the real business it is. Market it well, and you're looking at passive income while you sleep. Next up, level 4, navigating VA learning portals. If stringing all these skills together feels overwhelming, don't sweat it. Free resources like the Cut'em Learning Portal offer a totally structured path designed specifically for the modern VA. They give you a personalized 30-day plan that takes just 2 to 3 hours a day. It practically holds your hand through building a resume, finding your niche, and actively applying for remote jobs. One fantastic tip here is to use the social platform Threads as a modern journal. By taking a few minutes every day to document your progress, your wins, and even your struggles, you build incredible accountability. Plus, months down the line, it is super motivating to look back and see exactly how far you've come from day one. And here we are, the boss level, the ultimate AI toolkit. This is where we break down exactly how to select the right AI tool for specific research tasks. We absolutely have to stop looking at AI as some looming threat coming for our jobs. Instead, think of it as your ultimate collaborative partner. It's literally an ultra-fast assistant for your assistant business. AI won't replace you, but a VA who knows how to use AI effectively, they're the ones landing all the premium clients.
So forget the idea of one single best AI. That doesn't exist. The secret is that different models excel at completely different things. To really stand out in client work, you need to master deploying the specific tool that matches the specific task. Let's break down exactly when to use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Claude, or Perplexity.
Let's say a client needs a blog post outlined or a massive brainstorming session. You're going to want to start with ChatGPT. It's your all-purpose creative spark for that initial discovery phase. But if you need a draft that sounds a bit more natural and conversational, you might pivot to DeepSeek. It's totally free and fantastic for general, human-sounding writing tasks. Now, what if a client drops a massive, dense PDF research paper on your desk and asks for a summary? For heavy lifting like that, you immediately turn to Claude. Claude is like a document whisperer. You upload those massive files and it perfectly summarizes them, extracts the key quotes, and answers detailed questions based strictly on the text you provided.
When verifiable accuracy is an absolute must, and for client work it usually is, Perplexity is your go-to for pure research. Other bots might hallucinate or just make things up, but Perplexity is basically a search engine with a brain. It gives you concise answers and immediately cites its online sources, so you can verify the facts before handing anything over to your client. And finally, if your task is all about real-time data, like finding out what broke in the news this very morning or the absolute latest market trends, Gemini is your direct line. Because it's natively plugged into live Google search, it easily crushes the other tools when you need fresh, up-to-the-minute data straight from the live internet. The real magic happens when you build an AI workflow. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. You start broad with ChatGPT or DeepSeek to define your approach. Then you hunt down hard facts with Perplexity or grab live data with Gemini. You digest the heavy background reading with Claude, and finally, you synthesize it all into a brilliant client report. You're working faster and digging deeper than ever before. You can even apply these exact AI principles to your own job hunt. Platforms like the free Katam portal have custom GPT bots pre-configured to audit your resume or draft highly specific cover letters tailored to the exact job you're applying for. The heavy lifting is completely done for you. By leveling up your core skills, mastering your spreadsheets, and deploying the absolute perfect AI assistant for the specific job, you are completely equipped to build an incredible remote career. So, I'll leave you with this. Will you let AI replace you, or will you use it to become irreplaceable? Which tool is going to power your next big client project?